Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled cabbage at home. First, select a firm head of cabbage, about 2 pounds, and gather your salt and water. Sterilize your jars and lids thoroughly to prevent unwanted bacteria. For a basic brine, dissolve 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt in 4 cups of filtered water. This simple preparation ensures a safe and delicious fermentation process. Begin by removing any outer leaves from your cabbage, then shred or chop it into uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch thick. Place the cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle with about 1 tablespoon of salt per 2 pounds of cabbage. Massage the cabbage vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes until it softens and releases its own liquid. Then, pack it tightly into your sterilized jars, leaving 1 inch of headspace. Pour your prepared brine over the packed cabbage, ensuring all the cabbage is fully submerged. If needed, use a fermentation weight or a small, sealed bag filled with water to keep everything below the liquid line. This prevents mold growth. Place the jars in a cool, dark spot at room temperature, around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. Taste daily after day 3 until it reaches your desired tanginess. Once your pickled cabbage has reached its perfect flavor, transfer the jars to the refrigerator. It will continue to ferment slowly, but refrigeration significantly slows the process and keeps it fresh for up to 2 months. Enjoy your delicious homemade pickled cabbage as a vibrant side dish, a crunchy topping for sandwiches, or mixed into salads. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to enhance your culinary adventures and reading pleasure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.